Hello, welcome to my tutorial for cleaning a 3D scan in Substance Painter for 3D printing. Substance Painter is one of the best programs for cleaning a 3D scan. I'd like to thank Gmaniac and Trey Nubs for stopping by and getting scanned. Okay, let's start. First, you're going to click on File, New. You're going to select your 3D model. Now you're going to want to add your texture. You can see the 3D model loaded in on the left. You can see the UV map on the right. But what we don't see is our texture map. So to get the texture map, you're going to want to click over here to add fill layer. You're going to want to scroll down to base color and select your texture map. Now as we can see, the texture map is now on the 3D model. You can also see that it got really shiny. And this is because we're in material mode. You can change the shininess in material mode if you change the roughness. You can also use the slider. But we don't want to be in material mode for the purpose of cleaning for 3D printing. We want to be in base color. Now you can really see the texture the way it's meant to be seen. You can see the errors in the texture. You can see the blurriness on the letters. All these highlights on the shirt, all these shadows. We don't want that because when you 3D print it with all these highlights, it's just going to look really ashy. You can see the 3D scanner highlights on his leg. The texture map on his shoe doesn't look right. And you can see how his hair projected onto the shirt. Okay, so now we're going to start cleaning the shirt. We want the shirt to be just a solid black color so that it prints just a nice solid black. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and we're going to add a new layer, a new paint layer. We just added the paint layer. You can change the color by scrolling down to base color, clicking right here, and let's just choose black. And just like that, we can paint on the layer. And now if we click right here, we can change the opacity of the color. We can change the different modes. And let's say we wanted to take these letters and clone it. First you click the 6 key for the clone tool. Select your source, and now let's try to clone it. As you can see, nothing has happened. And this is because we're just on the normal mode. If we go to pass through, now you can see the letters appeared. What the pass through does is go directly to the fill layer. Now if you want to erase it, just erase this, just press 2. Alright, now let's start painting the shirt. We're going to rename this black shirt. And we're going to paint the whole thing black. Okay, now that we finished coloring the shirt black, we're going to work on the lettering. First, we're going to want to set the opacity of the black shirt layer to 0. We're going to want to add a new paint layer. We're going to want to switch back to the brush by pressing 1, click P for color picker. And now we can just color these letters on top of the black shirt layer. Okay, so we went over the shirt in all white. We went over the lettering. We still have to add the red to the helmet. We still have to clean up the lines a bit. But overall, I think it's looking pretty good. If you want to see the rest, join me in part 2 of the video, and thanks for watching.